Hello there. I just wanted to share with you a recent prep one of our students has shared with us. And let's just go through and analyze this prep. So this prep is after modification requests, obviously. So let's go through the initial criteria. The initial criteria is 3 millimeters in this direction and 1.5 millimeters past the DEJ in this direction, if we say this is the DEJ more or less. So obviously the student has requested a large area, which I would say this whole thing is modification requests. So what kind of modification requests did the student ask for? So obviously we had to alter the external outline, right? Because if we were to just do our initial outline, it would probably extend over here, something like this. So the student had to get an extension for the external outline, and also the caries is located right here, so also for the internal outline. And let's think about which areas of the prep they had to ask for. So for the external outline, they had to extend this axial wall, right? So externally, you're extending this wall, and internally, you're going into the facial wall. So just remember when you're requesting modifications where you ask. So external outline is anything that would make this square bigger, and internal would be anything that makes it deeper or more towards facial. What other things can we see here? So one other thing that I noted is that you see how the enamel dips down? Well, this can be a section of undermined enamel here. So I would recommend smoothing this out with a hatchet or with diamond burr. I also noticed that this tooth here is possibly nicked. So you can go with a finishing strip and clean this out. Overall, I think it's a pretty good prep. I'm just showing you what you can achieve, and this is done on the mannequin head under rubber dam. So hope this is helpful, and feel free to send us any questions.